Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Jamada here. Today I wanted us to talk about the secondary bureaus, guys. Okay, like you can, as an entrepreneur, if you don't have good credit, it's very limiting. There's not much you can do. You cannot get a lot of funding. So in order for you to take your business to the next level and be able to get your hands on some substantial amount of money and line of credit for your business, guys, you have to make sure that your personal credit is good. Now, I know we know about, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, but there are dozens, okay, almost 50 different other small bureaus, guys, that collects our information, collects our data on a number of topics concerning our credit, guys, and they make millions off of our personal information and they sell it. Okay, the credit bureaus it's not a government run institution. These are private institutions, guys, okay, that are regulated by the government, but they sell our information, okay, and they store our information, and they use this to grant us credit or not, or deny us credit. Okay, so just some of the ones that you need to be aware of. You have LexisNexis, CoreLogic, Innovis. They refer to that as the fourth credit bureau, and SageStream, and even the ChexSystem, guys. Okay, now if you are going to apply for business credit or you're cleaning up your credit, guys, make sure that you know what your rights are concerning these secondary bureau, even the primary ones. Okay, know what your rights are. You have a right to a credit report. Okay, just how you get the free annual credit report for TransUnion, for Equifax, and for Experian, guys. These credit bureaus by law have to give you a free credit report as well. Okay, so you can call them. I'll drop the number down below in the description. You can call them, guys, and have them give you your credit report and go over it. Okay, guys, take your time, on a day that you're not so busy and you have some time, go over it, okay, with a fine-tooth comb, guys, and make sure there's no inaccurate information on there that could harm you in the future, or even now that is harming you, guys, because you have a right to dispute those things. You have a right to make sure that the information is correct. You have a right to opt out of them sharing your information. Okay, you have rights. Okay, they are regulated by the government, guys. Okay, they can't just do anything that they want to do. But if you don't know your rights, then they will do anything that they want to do. They're subject to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay, you have a right to dispute. You have a right to accurate credit reporting. You have a right to correct it. You have a right to remove it, and you have a right to opt out. Okay, because they're making money off of our information. Okay, and you wonder why it's like pulling tooth when you're trying to correct this information, because it is in their interest to store these negative information and keep making money off of us. Okay, so ARS, SageStream, LexisNexis, Innovis, CoreLogic, ChexSystem, okay, they provide like ID verification data, even non-traditional data like credit information such as your rent payment, guys. I mean, even something as minute, your magazine subscriptions that you might not think that someone is tracking. Someone is tracking that. Okay, your utility bills, guys, your rental applications, okay, whether you own property or not, guys, your bankruptcy, liens, judgments, child support, guys, they are tracking all of these things. Okay, so know your rights, protect yourself. Okay, they supply marketing lists to creditors, to insurers, your insurance, guys. Before they grant your insurance, they're gonna pull this information, guys, and it might, okay, for example, me, I used to pay $109 for my car insurance. Okay, but now that my credit is better, I am only paying $55 a month for my insurance. It makes a big big difference, right? Wouldn't you say? So check these things. They're making money off of us, so make sure that you protect yourself, you protect your information, and use it to your advantage, okay? These agencies are taking advantage of us and making millions and millions of dollars, okay? For example, like CoreLogic, guys, they would collect personal data such as like your property ownership, guys, rental application. So imagine, like, you know, if you have something that is inaccurate, or you have the wrong address or wrong name or something like that, it can haunt you for years. But you don't have to. You can call them and request a free credit report, and they have to give it to you by law. Go over it. If you see anything on there that is inaccurate, guys, dispute it. Dispute it, okay? Make sure that your address is up to date, your name is up to date, okay? Your name is correct, okay? Your date of birth, all of those things, make sure that it is correct, guys. and then, you know, start your credit building process. Opt out of all of these secondary bureaus, guys. First of all, if it's incorrect, clean it up, make sure it's correct and accurate and up to date, and then opt out of it, and then start the credit cleaning process, guys, you know, with the 3 top dogs, and clean your credit, and you will see the difference, guys. You can do this in a matter of like 3 to 6 months, okay? And you will see the difference in your credit, guys. And you will have so much option to go for the top credit cards. Your credit score will increase. That's what I did. Your credit score will increase. You will have so much that will be open up for you financially, and you will be able to build your business credit and get the money that you need to improve, to scale, to change your life, to just, you know, live your best life. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys have any questions, or you have any comments or anything that you want to share with the community, drop it down in the comment section below. Please give the video a like, guys, okay? So that YouTube can continue to push my videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I wish all of you guys all the best in all of your endeavors. If you've made it to the end of the video, I'd like to see who makes it to the end. Drop me an emoji, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Bye.